Osborne's newly released edge banding rolls are a great way to hide those plywood seams on your projects. These pre-glued rolls are available in multiple widths, lengths, and wood species. To install, you'll need an iron, a pair of scissors or a flush cutter, a flat block, and some clamps or a wood vise. We'll start out by measuring how much we need for one side. We'll leave a little bit of excess on each end and set our iron to 390 degrees or more. Next, we can place one end of the edge banding down, making sure that one side is flush and the other is overhanging. Then we can begin heating up the edge banding to activate the glue and lay down the rest of the strip along the board. Immediately after applying heat, use the scrap wood block to apply pressure along the entire board. Once installed, we can trim the length with our flush cutter or scissors. To trim off the excess width, it's easiest to take a sharp chisel and run the flat side along your plywood. This is going to create a nice curl that's going to flush up the edge banding with your panel. After that, we can lightly sand the edges and the top of our panel and apply the finish of our choice.